just to interject. You mentioned the firearm license. Did you see the number? Who was the owner of it?
No, I didn't look at the owner of the firearm.
Ukhulumile ke lana nange license yesibhamu wabheka yini ukuthi kwakubani umnikazi ke uthi cha angakubhekanga ke ukuthi umnikazi kwakubani.
So this bullet that was brought to you for testing, and the reason for bringing the license, the firearm license, was it to prove that the firearm was legitimate or legal or not legal? Was it to prove ownership, or was it to prove that it was used during the commission of an offense?
My lord, it was sent to be compared with the bullet just to test if it's not the firearm that was used at the scene.
Manje ke lenhlamvu ke owathunyelwa ke ukuthi uyivivinyeke kanye futhi nayo ke ilicense kwakuyini ke kwakuwukuthi ke ubheke ukuthi isibhamu semthethweni yini noma kwakuyini inhloso kwakubheka ke ukuthi ke kwakuyisona yini noma kungasona yini isibhamu leso esasetshenziswa ke kuyona ke indawo yesigameko.
My concern is the ownership. I want the person who was the owner of that license or of that firearm, because there was a license.
My lord, there was license with it, but I didn't look at the license. I didn't look at the owner of the firearm. My concern was to compare the firearm with the bullet, but not to know who the owner is. Normally when we work on exhibits, we receive exhibits, we work on those exhibits, we don't even know who the owners of those firearms are.
Manje ke mina ke umhluphayo lana ke ukuthi kwakune license eyayikhona ke lapha yana ukuthi ke kwakubani umnikazi waleso sibhamu. Okwami ke yebo ngiyasho ukuthi yayikhona, kodwa ke okwami akusikhona ke ubheke ukuthi umnikazi ubani umnikazi, ukuthi ke ngenze lokho engicela ukuthi ngikwenze. Maningi ke amazibisi esebenza ngawo asazi ukuthi abanikazi bawo noma lezo sibhamu lezo obani.
Were any photos that were taken when you received those exhibits? Did you take any photos, or any person took photos on those exhibits, including the license?
No, we don't take photos of exhibits that we receive.
Ingaba sikhona yini ithombe ke zalawo mazibiti lawo noma labo bufakazi lokho obusebenza ngabo kanye futhi nayo ke leyo license leyo cha asiyithathi ke ithombe zobufakazi esisebenza ngabo.
My lord, may I approach my colleague Advocate Baloyi?
Yes.
Thank you, my lord. Sir, I just verified the information relating to the license of that firearm. My colleague has confirmed that firearm belongs to Chico Twala.
My lord, I don't know who the firearms owner is.
Kodwa ke ukhuluma manje ke nomshushisi uyavuma ke ukuthi leso sibhamu leso kwakuyisibhamu sika Chico Twala, uthi mayiphendula ke angazi ukuthi kwakuyisibhamu sikabani.
This one bothers me because Chico was not in the crime scene when this offense was committed. My concern is, why did they take Chico Twala's firearm for testing if he was not in the crime scene? That's what bothers me, because you said the purpose of bringing or to do examination was to determine whether the exhibits that were found in the crime scene matches with the ammunition or of a particular firearm. A firearm that was brought to you belonged legally to Chico Twala. My question is, if Chico Twala was not in the crime scene, or maybe let me reserve it for Kininda. I'll reserve it for Kininda, that question.
My lord, I do not know who the owner of the firearm is, and it's not the only firearm that I have received to compare with this bullet.
Okungihluphayo ke lana ukuthi ke uChiko Thwala ke ngathi ke kwenzeka isigameko lesike wayengekho ke lapho. Sengihlusha ke ukuthi ke ngoba ushilo ke ukuthi ke inhloso ukuthi ke uqhathaniseke ukuthi ke leyo nhlamvu leyo wayithola iyahlangana yini nesibhamu leso. Bese ngishilo ke ukuthi angimazi umnikazi futhi akusona kuphela ke isibhamu engasithola ke leso ukuthi ngiqhathanise naleyo nhlamvu leyo.
But what can associate Chiko Thwala with the testing of that firearm is the presence of Longwe at the crime scene when Senzo was shot. That's how they are linked, Chiko and Longwe. Chiko is the father to Longwe. And there's a theory that I'm going to prove it later on, that Longwe is the one who fired a shot to Senzo Meyo. So I just want to know.
My lord, I cannot comment on that one because, as I said, this is not the only firearm that they have sent for analysis or to compare with this bullet. There's other firearms that I have compared with this, and they were all negative with the bullet.
Mina ke ngakutshela kona ke kodwa phela ke ongahlanganisa ke uChiko nendawo ke yesigameko indodana yakhe ke ekuwulongwe Thwala futhi ke ngizokuveza ke lokho kamuva ke ukuthi ke uyena ke ulongwe owadubula ke lapho kwasekushayeka yena ke uSenzo mase phendula ke ufakazi uthi cha angimazi ke umnikazi waleso sibhamu noma akukho engakusho kulokho futhi ke akusona ke phela isibhamu leso esathunyelwa kumina ukuthi ngisibheke noma ngiqhathanise futhi ke zonke ke kwatholakala ukuthi ke zi-negative.
In answering your question or to address you on the aspect of this is not the only firearm that you are giving evidence on this particular firearm. I'm not asking you about other firearms. I'm mainly concerned about your evidence here, sir.
Yeah, my lord, the question was specifically this firearm, who's the owner? Because I said I don't know the owner, but why is this firearm sent to you? I said this is not the only firearm, there are other firearms. Why is this not the same question with the other firearms, that why are all these firearms sent to be compared if their owners were not at the scene?
Lana ke bemphendula ke umbuzo ongibuza wona ke ukuthi kwakungani ke ukuthi ke kuthunyelwe lesi sibhamu kuwena ke yila engiphendula khona ke ukuthi ke angangimazi umnikazi angazi futhi akusona kuphela ke isibhamu esathunyelwa kumina ke ingani ke loyo mbuzo loyo ungawubeki ke nangezinye izibhamu lezi engithi nazo zathunyelwa kumina.
Okay, it's fine. I'll do so as you so please. But let me just put it this way. Let me just address this part. At this time, on the 3rd of November 2014, Brigadier Kininda was not the investigating officer in this case. Do you know that?
Yes, I know that, my lord. 2014.
Okay. Ngazo i3 November ke kuyena ke u2014 uyakwazi ukuthi ke uBrigadier Kininda kwangasiyena ke umphenyi walecala yebo ngiyakwazi lokho.
And what I've noted, the correct procedure was followed. You received the exhibit from the case administration, you did the testing and the examination of the firearm. As a result, the results were negative. I'm happy about that evidence. And that the fact that I have to emphasize Brigadier Kininda was not an investigating officer at that time. Let's move on.
Sorry, for my own understanding, the assertion now which you are putting, are you linking it to the fact that you say the firearm which was the license of the alleged firearm which he also examined?
Yes.
Belonged to Chiko Thwala?
Correct.
Right? And then you extrapolate that fact to say that you will tell him that it is Longwe who fired the shot. How do you link the two?
No. I'm saying Chiko Thwala is the owner of the firearm.
Right, and he's the father to Longwe, you say?
He's the father to Longwe.
Right.
Longwe was at the crime scene when Senzo was shot.
Right.
But Chiko was not there.
Right.
My concern is why the investigating officers at that time had to take the firearm that belonged to Chiko for examination. That That was my main concern.
irrespective of the relationship of Chico and Longwe.
Longwe is the one, that would be the assumption to say,
it
because
an
Longwe
assumption?
was present,
Yeah.
that's the reason why they had to go to Chico's Twala to take his firearm for examination.
Yeah,
but there must be a theory grounded from there.
Oh, I see. So
Yes.
the fact that you're saying you're putting it to this witness, that you're not actually putting the assertion, you're indicating
Yes.
that theory, which you allude to, says that it is Longwe who shot Senzo.
That's
Did I hear
correct.
you properly?
That's correct.
Okay, fine.
And I'll put it further to you that the firearm that Longwe used to shoot Senzo was a 38 special revolver, not a 9mm.
My lord, there was no evidence of a 38 special revolver or any revolver at the crime scene. The only evidence that was at the crime scene was a 9mm bullet that was recovered.
Okunye futhi engizokutshela kona noma engizokusho kwenake ukuthi isibhamu esasetshenziswa uLongwe ukudubula uSenzo kwakuyi-38 special kwangasiyona-ke i-9mm. Umephendula-ke ufakazi ukuthi abukho ubufakazi obuthi-ke noma obukhuluma-ke nge-38 special. Ufakazi-ke ukuthi-ke isibhamu esasilaphayana kwakuyi-9mm.
I know why I'm asking this question, but these questions are not related to you, sir. To be honest, there were police officers, senior officers, who attended the crime scene just after Senzo was shot. Senior officers, but this is not relevant to you. Let's move on. May I move on, my lord?
Yes,
If
yes.
the court is satisfied with. So now, after the testing, the firearm was negative, and thereafter, now, according to the evidence given by Brigadier Gininda and Mhola, Sergeant Mhola, was that they were appointed in 2018 as the investigating officers under CAS 636 of 10/2014.
Sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry to get into your way. You are saying that the firearm which you tested, which was accompanied by a license,
Correct.
That is correct, my lord.
was negative. You both agree.
Yes.
And now you're saying your learned colleague Baloi informs you that the license of that firearm, of the license which was
Tested.
seen
Yes.
by the colonel here,
Yes.
was belonging to Chico.
That's correct.
Is that also how you understand the evidence?
That's correct.
Right. Now, this court doesn't know that firearm which allegedly was accompanied by a license from which belongs to Chico. What type of firearm is that? Is it a 38 special? Is it an AK-47? Because this you gloss over, both of you.
It has been described, my lord, in
That's
paragraph
what?
3,
No, no, but-
3.1.
Yes, we want to hear him say it. Or you tell him that it is this, because you have already told him that Longway shot Senzo with a 38 special.
Correct, yes.
That's it.
Yeah.
So that firearm, what was it?
It's a 9mm. It's described in paragraph 3.1.
Paragraph 2.1, it was
It's a 9mm.
One
It's a
9mm parabellum.
It's not a 38 special.
No, my lord, it's not a 38
Fine,
special.
fine. So that everybody understands.
Lana kumehlulo lifuna ukwazi-ke ngoba kukhulunywa ngesibhamu-ke uthi yena-ke akasakazi-ke noma-ke akushiwongo-ke ummeli kanye naye-ke ufakazi ukuthi isiphi lesibhamu ngoba lana-ke kukhulunywa nge-38. Manje-ke ibhaliwe-ke la ku-3.1 ukuthi-ke lesibhamu lesi-ke kukhulunywa ngaso-ke lana kuyisona-ke kuthiwa kadubula uSenzo kwakuyi-9mm parabellum ngasiyona i-38 special.